$550 for this image, $621 for this one, and another $463 for this one, and so forth. You can do this unlimited times because you don't need a camera. You'll not have to take any pictures yourself. You don't need social media followers, and I will give you a free tool where you can get this done in less than 10 minutes of work. It's a website that we have never used before, and people from all over the world are making hundreds of thousands of dollars. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, the phrase make money online will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. So first of all, this is the website where you can get the work done in less than 10 minutes. This is not a website where you will be making money, but rather it is a platform where you can get those images done in less than 10 minutes. So you can get hundreds of dollars with this second website where people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars. So before we get to this site, it has been paying people a lot of money for those images, and I'm going to show you how to create those ones. So first of all, let's start with how you can get those images done for absolutely free. Just head on over to Adobe Spark. Just type in its URL spark.adobe.com. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates which will allow you to just drop and create professional looking designs. So you can simply come over to Adobe Spark and you can read more about what type of designs you can get done with this tool. But what you can create with Adobe Spark? Well, you can create social media graphics, you can pick up a photo and apply design filters for animations to instantly stand out from the crowd and create high quality designs. That's exactly what we'll be focusing on. So they also have different features like creating web pages and short videos, but it is not what we will be focusing on here. We're only focusing on images that we can create in minutes to share instantly and then get paid with the website that I'm about to share with you in a minute. And even if you don't have a laptop or computer, it's still okay. You can still do this with your phone because the app is available for both Android and iOS. So even if you're laying in your bed and holding your phone, you can still do this. It's going to be simple. So come over to Adobe Spark and click on Get Started Now. So you can create a free account and you can either sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple account with your Gmail or Adobe ID. Once you figure out what account you want to sign up with, log in and it will immediately redirect you to your brand new account. Once you create a brand new Adobe Spark account, you will be able to browse all of the different templates from this website. You can have all the different graphic designs which you can create, which are pretty much 99% done for you. And you just need to change the text, and that way it becomes your unique design from which you can make hundreds of dollars with the website, which I will share with you. So you can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collage, print presentations, slideshows, branded images, and even custom sized graphics. All of these different templates are available. You can create flyers, ebook covers, book covers, and so forth. So let's say for example, I want to use the flyer design template. I'm just going to click on that so I can show you how easy it is. I just need to wait for them to load my design, so to load my template so I can fully customize it. I can change everything and all you have to do is double click on the text, type in whatever you want to. Let's say for example, when I type in NexGenProfits, click done and it will change this image. Now on the right hand side, you can also customize colors. You can change the font, the size, you can customize everything. You can add different shapes, shadows, different animations, and whatnot. And here on the left hand side, you can select different templates in case you don't like this one. So maybe I would rather prefer this one. I click on create from this template and wait until it loads and I can customize this one. So it's really easy and simple to use because once again, it's like 99% done for you. You just need to change the text and save it to your computer. Let's say I want to type once again NexGenProfits. I will click done. Now it's going to look something like this. Maybe I want to change the background image too. I can also do that as well. I can click on replace or remove background or add different filters to my background. It's really simple and easy to use, and you can create all sorts of different designs from those templates. Once you're done designing, you can either click the download button right here, and that's instantly going to download this image to your computer. It's going to download the high quality version of this image. You can either do it like that, or if you want to remove the watermark, you can open up, for example, a snipping tool or any other screenshot software that you have on your computer and just screenshot this image, take a snap, and just exclude the watermark that's at the bottom, and you're ready to go. So that's so simple and easy. To get those designs done with Adobe Spark, it takes less than 10 minutes because those templates are 99% done for you. Now, let me show you the website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you created with Adobe Spark. The website is called DesignCrowd.com. This is where you will get paid for those different designs for logo design, business cards, web designs, flyer design, graphic designs, which you can all create with Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes. And let me show you this. If I go to the designers category and let's say, for example, I select graphic designers, you'll be able to see people from all over the world making money. If we, for example, select logo designers, you'll be able to see that people are also making even more money. There's a lot of money to be made with the DesignCrowd.com. It's a really good website that pays a decent amount of money for those designs, which you can get done in less than 10 minutes. So if you go over to the job section right here, you can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for doing that. You can create anything from business cards down to flyers, posters, postcards, web designs, Facebook designs, YouTube designs, Twitter designs, and everything that we saw on the previous website. Everything which you can get done in less than 10 minutes of work with Adobe Spark. So let's say, for example, you want to focus on flyer designs. You can click on that and you will be able to see different available jobs. You can submit your design and get paid. You can get paid for one single image that I submit over there. I can get paid for just this project alone. And there will be new jobs coming in all the time. So you will never run out of jobs to complete within all of these sections. Of course, 2 jobs are not a lot, but that's only under the flyer design section. You have different sections which you can select. We have banner ad designs, app designs, icons, Facebook designs, and YouTube designs. Now, to get started with DesignCrowd.com, all you have to do is to come over to this website and click join for free. This button is right here. Then enter your email address, create a password, and click on let's go. Once you sign up, you log into your brand new account. You can start browsing all of these different jobs. And once you find a suitable one, just click on it, submit your design, and wait to see if you made money. And since a lot of you guys are often asking me how you can cash out money from this website, I want to explain to you everything, how it's really simple. Once you start making money, just go over to your profile right here, just click profile settings, and then on the left side, you can select payouts right here. Then you select your payout method and you can enter your payment details. And that's how you can collect your earnings. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.